Mid-Missouri is continuing to see drier conditions heading off into the second half of this week. This persistent weather pattern of drier weather, or in other cases persistent wet weather, is influenced by atmospheric blocking. Atmospheric blocking typically occurs when we see a high pressure system stalling out over a region. So it basically acts as a shield and it blocks future low pressure systems from coming back through, which will typically lead to a persistent weather pattern over a region. Just like in this example, you're going to see that high pressure system stalled out. Most likely, everything underneath that is going to be seeing drier weather for extended period of time. So you see a low pressure system off to the west coast. That's going to be the one that drives that atmospheric river and the flooding back towards California. Well, it's actually going to be holding pretty nicely in place there for the next several days. A lot of that actually has to do with this high pressure system, which is going to be causing that drier and warmer weather across much of the United States, including here in mid-Missouri. So looking off into Thursday, that high pressure system going to be still holding pretty steady, and eventually it will start to decay. But even into the extended forecast, we could be looking at another setup for another atmospheric blocking pattern, which actually could have adverse effects. So you're seeing the eastern half of the United States. That's going to be looking drier than average in the ABC 17 Storm Track Future Track Precip extended outlook, while back towards mid-Missouri, you're going to be seeing wetter than average conditions. We might just be to the west of that pattern, which could lead to more chances of rainfall back into mid-Missouri. And until that high pressure system breaks down or moves back off to the east, we'll see that persistent weather for quite some time.